All right, guys, hopefully you're able to finish the first lesson over faces, vertices, and edges of polygons, pyramids, cylinders, cones, and spheres. So, what I'm going to ask you to do is copy this paper. It's got several of these. Well, you'll only have to do 3 once I'm done. Make sure you print this because this is what I'm going to want you to send to me through the Google Classroom as an assignment. I will be grading on completion, definitely not your artistic ability. So, what we have here is called isometric dot paper, and you can draw cubes 3-dimensionally on this. And I want to try to create a cube structure 3-dimensionally that has a top view that looks like that, a right side view that looks like that, and a front view that looks like that. I've kind of been playing around with this, and I've finally figured out after years of doing this that the best way to do is start with the top view, because the top view is really what it looks like from above, and you can actually draw the base of it from this. So here is what I'm going to start with. Now, when it says right side view, the right side view is kind of looking from here. Don't write that down. And the front view is looking from here. Okay, so that is the top view. That's what you see. If you're looking directly from above, it looks like a 2-dimensional thing. Now I'm going to do the right side view. So I know that it has to go up 4 cubes. So I start from here and I build up. Now I have 1 cube, and so I have to go up 3 more. And I just keep drawing cubes. I didn't mean to attach that, but we'll erase that here in a second. Make sure you're using a pencil to do this, because as you go through this, you're going to want to erase so that it looks like a solid and not a transparent shape. Sorry for the pauses. I'm having to concentrate. Okay, I know that looks really bad, but we grab our eraser and we just kind of clean it up a little bit. Ooh, that's crooked. I'll fix that in a second. Try to clean it up so that you guys don't have little OCD panic attacks. Clean that up. This back here, I'll fix that line. And if you find your own shortcuts, definitely, I'm not the best at this, obviously, but that, move this over here, is what your structure, erase that. I'm having to use a stylus on my laptop. Oh, so bear with me. Here we go. Okay, finally. So that now, if you were thinking, oh, I've got this block right here, so I'm going to take this, draw that. It gets easier the more often you do it. This is like my 3rd time trying to make this video, because last time it didn't upload and I had to reset my computer. Okay, there. Now that looks like the right view. Okay, you see 3, 4, 4 and 1. You got 4 and 1 if you're looking at it from the right. But now if I look at it from the front, I have to have a structure to make it look like a 2x4 rectangle. So this is the front again. So really all I have to do is add this column here. Ugh, that's ugly. Let's not try to take shortcuts. I can't see the dot though. Forgive me for this. There it is. Okay. So now, oop, that's what I'm trying to avoid. So now I can make square, square, square. I'll end up having to erase that stuff anyway. I can erase this, that, this, all of that. Really is trial and error. There are some students that struggle with this immensely. That doesn't look the greatest, but that was supposed to be a star. That stylus isn't the best. Oh well, I'll just erase it. Oh no, it's frozen. There we go. That is the end of it. Some dead spots on my screen. All right, so keep fiddling with this, or well, now you get to do the next 3 on your own. I want you to take a picture of it and attach it to the Google Classroom on the classwork that I assign. That's it.